Hey guys, I'm Chris and I'm an industrial designer.
And I'm Ben, and my background's in film production. Over the past 12 months, we've been working on creating a device that adds motion control to time-lapse photography. It's versatile, portable, and extremely easy to use.
We found that existing equipment was too expensive, really complicated to set up, and the size and weight made it quite difficult to carry into remote locations. So we developed a product that's exceptionally easy to use, takes no time to set up, it's cheap as chips, and it's so small that it still fits inside your camera bag. We call it the Genie.
We've spent countless hours in research and development. Through multiple prototypes and tireless nights testing, we've refined the design and are ready to manufacture. We can't wait to see what other creative people can do with the Genie. But to take it any further, we need your help.
The Genie can be set up for either panning or linear motion. Once the panning accessory has been screwed onto your tripod, the Genie is simply attached and set up to record a panning time-lapse.
To switch to linear mode, the Genie is simply removed from the tripod and attached to the linear accessory. Now the Genie is able to capture time lapses in an endless range of possible linear movement. On a slider, rope is attached to the end of the track using the supplied accessory, and the Genie drives itself along the rope.
The Genie seamlessly integrates with all your professional equipment, adapting to suit your ever-expanding camera kit, making it useful for a lifetime.
The Genie is not only limited to professional equipment, you can also use it on all of your DIY projects. The movement of your time-lapse is only limited by the length of your rope, meaning that the Genie will travel much further than other time-lapse equipment. We've even tested it on a homemade cable cam, driving at 60 feet over a lake. We've only just scratched the surface as to what can be done with the Genie, and we know with your imagination it can be pushed much further. Just imagine all those shots you can now get that weren't ever before possible.
We've spent a lot of time developing the software side of the Genie. We wanted to make it as easy to use as possible, and this is one of the key features. If you haven't taken a time-lapse before and you're confused about the various settings, then you can simply start a factory preset from our preset menu. Right out of the box, the Genie comes with some amazing presets. With the push of just a few buttons, you can start some simple time-lapses like stars, people, or clouds.
For the more experienced time-lapse users, parameters can be set manually. If your time-lapse works out, then save your settings as a preset. Now you can easily revert back to it on your next shoot. You can save as many as you like into the recording menu. This leaves you more time to concentrate in your shot rather than the settings.
By connecting the Genie to a smartphone, you can program it using either an iPhone or Android app.
The interface port allows you to connect a variety of different sensors to activate the Genie while you're not around. Some examples are motion sensors, sound and light sensors. The sensor can be triggered to tell the camera to take a photo, take multiple photos, or start a video recording. If it's used with a panning or linear accessory, then you can also add movement to the recording, such as a dolly or panning shot.
As you can see, we're ready to go, and we can't wait to get production moving. We'd like to say a huge thanks to everyone that's helped us out so far, as well as offering the Genie for a fraction of the price to Kickstarter backers.
Check out our website, syrup.co.nz, or drop us a personal email to keep up to date with progress. You'll find out heaps more information about the product and all the other features we don't have time to tell you about now.